Good morning, everyone. My name is Shantae Jackson, and I'm an associate scientist and study director at our preclinical site in Columbia. It's a job that I'm very passionate about, and every day is rewarding, social, and of course, busy. So let's fire up that to-do list, take a swig of my must-have chocolate milk, and get going. Much of the day is spent coordinating with and helping my team. An essential part of that is by keeping up morale. How, you may ask? The feelings drawer. Because we all know the way to anyone's heart is through food. I even brought reaction buttons into the office for the times when you need to just let out the feels. Before I head out to the vivarium, I need to suit up. Step 1, socks. Step 2, Crocs. Step 3, threads. Step 4, specs. And we're ready to go. On the way down today, I'm stopping by the veterinarian office to consult about study occurrences and sponsor requests, as well as checking in with our tube writer regarding available inventory of specialized sample processing tubes requested for a study. Next, it's on to the vivarium. Here, I work with technicians on study-related procedures, such as assisting with verification of infusion pump setup and helping with real-time review of parameter setup and pupillometry data measurements on the pupillometer device. And yes, you're right, that word is fun to say. Throughout the day, I like to change my custom office signs depending on the time or my vibe, and of course, an ever important one to leave up is to keep having great days. Bye everyone!